Bottoms up! Hey guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm in a little bit of a different setting than I normally am because I got my girl Aaliyah here today and we are going to do the beer drinking challenge. So let's get started, shall we, babe?
Yep.
Okay. I should preface this by saying that I don't drink beer.
I'm gonna mix these up now because you've seen what order they're in, so.
Wow, I cannot see anything. Okay, let's talk about the rules, like loser, does what, and all that.
She's trying to match up the labels to what she thinks each one tastes like. So if she gets 5 out of 5, she's the winner. But for every one that you get off, or for every one you don't get right, I think you should have to take a shot. Quarantine, baby.
I'm gonna be plastered. Okay, I don't drink beer, so I'm gonna be so bad at this. Fuck. Okay. So everyone I get wrong, I have to take a shot? Oh my god.
Seems fair, right, y'all?
Okay, well, you're gonna have to do the same thing.
All right, do you want to start from left to right or right to left?
Let's start from right to left. This is kind of tripping me out because it's so black right now. Okay. Am I supposed to sip now?
Yep. Lean forward. I'll find you the straw. Yep.
Ow!
Careful. Okay. Do you have you definitely know which one that one is, or you want to keep drinking? Like move on to the next one.
Next one.
Okay. Hold, please. What's the next one? Huh? That's not the next one.
Oh. Whoa, your hands are freezing. I think I know which one that one is.
You want to go ahead and tell me?
Ooh,
And I can put the
okay.
label in front of it that you think it is.
I think it's either the Magic Hat or the Mermaid Pilsner.
Pick one.
Can I put it in order as I go and then I get a re-rack at the end
Yeah.
after I've tasted everything?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to put that Magic Hat.
Okay.
Because I know it's not an IPA because you don't like IPAs and that's the only reason that it's in the fridge because you would like it.
So you think that's the Magic Hat? I put the Magic Hat label in front of the one that you think is the Magic Hat.
Yeah, I think so. Your hands are freezing.
Okay.
Is that Coors Light?
Oh, I'm not gonna tell you. Do you want to label that one as Coors Light?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think the first one that I had was either PBR or Bud Light.
As of right now, you have labeled what you think is a Magic Hat and a Coors Light. Okay, this is the next contender.
This straw is so long. That's either the Pilsner or the Magic Hat. How am I supposed to know the difference?
That's part of the fun.
Well, it sounds like it's in a can, so I'm gonna go with the Pilsner.
I accidentally just threw the straw across the room, so hold while I bring it down.
Same.
Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, last contender.
Bud Light.
Okay.
So I think the first one was PBR, and then I think I had the Magic Hat.
Okay. This is the order in which you told me to put them in. You want me to read it to you?
Yeah.
Okay, your first one that you tried, you labeled as a PBR. The second one you tried, you labeled as a Magic Hat. The third one you tried, you labeled as a Coors. The fourth, you labeled as the Mermaid Pilsner. And the last one that you just had, you labeled as the Bud Light. Do you feel confident, or do you want to give each one another taste?
I want to give them each a taste.
Okay, same order.
Yeah.
Right now you labeled that
That
as a
tastes
PBR.
like college, so I'm pretty sure that's PBR.
So you're sticking with that?
Yeah.
Move your hand, please.
That's the Magic Hat.
Okay, so you have it labeled as
Only because I can
Magic
tell
Hat?
that I have to bend over specifically, because I know it's not in a can. What did I label this one?
that one you labeled as a Coors Light.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it as the Mermaid. You have this last one labeled as the Bud Light. All right, hold on.
Nervous.
Shall I flip the signs around towards you so when you open
Yeah. I'm so nervous. Why am I so nervous? Wow, it's bright. Bud Light, Pilsner. Oh, I knew these were the two that I wasn't sure about. Ah!
Good job, you got a lot right. You only mistook one for the other.
These two?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So that means she gets to take 2 shots.
Oh boy, your turn.
So like, All right, I'm feeling confident, you guys. If I can't tell
Here we go.
these 5 beers apart, what kind of bartender am I?
Back because Aaliyah and I are filming a YouTube video where we're taste testing beers. Say hi to my mom. Bye. Here we go.
You mix them up?
Yeah, mixed them up.
Okay. Open your lips. Okay. Throw the Pilsner on that one.
Okay.
That's the magic hat. Yeah, I think that's the magic hat.
Okay.
Here we go now. Here we go now.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. So I think that's the Mermaid Pilsner. And then the first one that I tried is the Coors.
Okay. Okay. Next up.
I think that's Bud Light. Watch me get all of these wrong! So if I'm right up to this point, this one should be the PBR. I feel like that actually kind of tastes like Bud Light. Wow, honestly,
You need to taste them
I'm
together.
not certain on anyone except I think the number 9. The Magic Hat. Okay, in the same order, please. I'm gonna stick with Coors Light.
Okay.
Magic Hat. Pilsner. Mermaid Pilsner. Bud Light. Like, what does a PBR even taste like? Oh, fuck.
I would get. Let me turn them and face them your way.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I'm scared that I got like all of them wrong.
Isn't it nerve-wracking?
Oh, I'm gonna be so disappointed in myself. I got them all wrong. Excuse me. I'm nervous. Oh!
I win!
Wow, I'm surprised by that. Don't say this, Charlie. I'm really surprised by this.
I can't believe you didn't get PBR. So just for the record, Aaliyah got 3 wrong and I got 2 wrong. So that means that I'm gonna make her chug one of these beers and she's gonna have to take 2 shots. I think we should both have to chug one.
Like, we absolutely should each have to chug one.
Okay.
Wow, I don't know if anyone noticed, my sips got a lot smaller the second round. I was like, ooh. I'm gonna do the Bud Light.
Okay.
Apparently it tastes like Coors Light to me.
Go. Babe! Go. Why are you acting like you're in pain?
Because it pains me to have to chug this. No offense, Bud Light.
What? My pits?
Your armpits smell so bad.
Thanks for watching, guys. That was our beer drinking challenge. Make sure to drop a comment. Drop a comment, click subscribe, like this video, and let me know.
Follow my girl.
Oh, thanks. Well, subscribe, but yeah.
You subscribe to my girl.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.